Hello everyone, this is Ivan from Litestar OFC. Today I'm going to show you our new Litestar outdoor product. So let me show you some details. Follow me. First of all, this cabinet is very slim and lightweight. Let me show you the thickness of this cabinet. So you can see from the ruler it is around 100 millimeter and 4 inch for the thickness, and it is very lightweight. It's around 25 kgs for 960 by 960 cabinet, and this cabinet is both front and rear maintenance. Let me show you how we remove the module from the cabinet rear side. So we can see the 4 locks here. Follow me please. And we can use this Allen wrench to release the lock, or we can even use our fingers to turn it very easily, and then push. Okay, and this module can go through the cabinet very easily, and we can remove the cable. So the mother side is fully sealed, and this module has very high IP rating. It is IP68, and this cable integrated with the data and the power, so we just need one connection. So let me put it back. Okay. Lock. Okay, finish. So let me show you the front side of this product. I already removed a couple modules, so let me remove the last one for this cabinet. Also, we have 4 locks here. This and this one here, and also here, and this is the last one. Okay, so we can also remove the module very easily from the front side. And let me show you how it works to open this system box. Okay, we have 2 locks here. Okay, so this is how it looks like for the inside of this system box. We have power supply, receiving card, and all the parts included in this system box. And this one is 6.67, and we can make very high brightness for this one. So let me show you the brightness testing result of this one. Okay, this is the luminance testing device. Okay, so it is 10,900 nits for the P6.67, so it is nearly 11,000. It is very high brightness. Currently we have pixel pitch 6.67 and 10 millimeter for this product, and we will develop more pixel pitch in the near future. So hopefully we have opportunities to cooperate with your company. Thank you very much.